àmì ẹ̀wò náà jẹ́ ìyá ṣe gbé ẹ̀wò ní màjẹ́ náà ẹ̀ bò tó bọ̀ ẹ̀ pàápàá ẹ̀ máa dàn mí rọ èmi sì yé mi rúwẹ̀ ẹ̀ ẹ̀rànà mi ẹ̀wò àrùn ẹ̀hà níyàn múnìyà àwẹ̀ ẹ̀ òkè ọ̀pá wọ̀ ọ̀viẹ̀ sàn ọ̀pá náà ká ọ̀viẹ̀ dò nọ̀zẹ̀ dónù ọ̀pá náà ká ọ̀viẹ̀ Yorùbá. But the water sunu when Jama first lady way the Bini boys roda na those states. Nana me we in kamu when ya we biaya igba mayano iware those states. E Bini boys e ya hin. I me try pokpa ne red those states. Ya se gbe Ghana o Senegal gbogbo egbo Cameroon e ya the tribe pokpa ne red those states ni. Na wa mi iwa sunu na Bini boys Bini boys ye ti won meri upu yo to ekene Jama first lady e force ve noa do we ma like yan mama e okeke manati a o we una ga deceive we do ni bun we Bini women wa ga lelian anaga o emile sokuze bude mama e wo ovie san e we kin so kwa we ivie san ro ori ayan wa ogun kan yan eyan ra mu emere no kan san ni gbie san ugbezin ogun kan iwa concern uye on Bini boys nana mi e Bini boys opare those states ni ore Nigeria Igbo boys ro different tribes uga onge mani ko mu pepe tu wa ye onge Bini. These are the reason why nene resisting obu work sun when a Jama first lady and why we hear dog do if you do they not like us now after they bring the hatred was one maga duele luwa why we you no mama ka we mu wa mama we mu wa mana kwenu wa do dia why like we why ke side wa dia orima why do dia we why on do why you to why biele why we ya why bu wa mama we mu wa o mama we mu wa denti ma wa we mu wa oh very good wow in fact my kwe ware mi ye dore we should leave the Benin the mari egenu wa mi agbadia e o wa gbo fi majina mi of it because I don't know the even as we speak right now a man kick against that kingdom I make an anami ma dan 7 ka tai if ye san bu wa to you people are na barita wa to wa yokpa ori manu wa so kwa ibozere o mweme doni yeko ni buwo no so wa ni be mweme doni yorion eni ka ogu waro sa no go do abegu waro eme na gbon ra ma wa Okpa magba hin imu magmoria you know so Jama first lady you are racist in fact you are racist the Benin is getting too much the handwriting have already shown on I am in a ige mama mama to boy having knocking Mama to boy having knocking. I give my mama Jama first lady. I give where my ma. I said they can never describe you to us with the Benin. We have already known you who you are. My bawen not big back. Upogodo uwe Jama first lady la wo me not yan we ore media ido hinyan we dene uri boy yedo the Benin speaking tribe uri boy yan kunre di yan ari wo sare na ri anusi enwa be asiosa we je wan asie ye once here deri ono wege mani go no hin let us contribute this money and pay you off once and for all so that we get gbe okima ni mami gbe sameyi e hin ni manari va e la ma gbe Rude German first lady. Aga neun we Kaduna Benin boys. Aiwa Emina sunu we Jos Benin boys. Yazek Bitali Webo na Jena Benin boys. Nemu wedo we gwankan. Wa ya ogwale news Benin boys yan. Keni mau keni mamau ukun ya mweji mau ni mare miemore. Ami ke nana mi ma dan ami ke nana mi de crime. Ami don no phone na error the trap no phone na they will no phone na error agbon na ere yin eke yin de. When I go feel more not just talk about the German first lady himself. I don't just know. Àwọn wẹ̀wọ́ wù ní àánú wẹ̀ tó sàn láti àwọn ọ̀nà yìí àgbẹ̀ ẹ̀bà ọ̀nà ìdò láti àdó zẹ̀mẹ̀ nínú ẹgbẹ̀ yìí. Yàrá ilé ma ọ̀tẹ́ mẹ́rẹ̀ bush lion ẹ̀ máa ta ọ̀dọ́ wẹ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀ nùkíáwó náà ọ̀rẹ́ sì náà ẹ̀dọ́ wẹ̀ àgbọ̀dẹ̀ àìrètẹ̀ máa ta. Tẹ́mẹ́ bush lion. One is high service helper. This is the real high service helper. The real one. Mama, a high service helper na Gualokedo ade. My show. Where na Gualokia ve Sokoto, Revi Sokoto. The high service helper have already arrived. Bush lion. It's really kata. Me don't tell you. Bet. Wagima wemi gbima. I know that Bible says love your neighbor as yourself. But me here don't know where when a bush lion I mean where ori diake we ke se no ori ke ori diake we se no ma o ona o we use and be mi boy agbo eye se ye aha o yo no ma o hian ra o yo. But otally make no way la wo. Oh, Hanan, we always say Nanania. Edokere, every oviedo. We data state or kere. Those are the most of the people in Javo Banake. Niya supporting and call where Eriono, and Mienia. Already, dẹ́pọ̀ wá pa máa mọ̀ kí ẹ̀ra mọ̀rí ẹ̀ lélẹ̀ pé ìyẹn do díàrẹ̀ do. That's why we say Edo is a peaceful place. We welcome everybody, be who you are, whatever tribe in Uriakin, we welcome you. You can stay there. We don't Maya Otilo, Maya Ogbo, Maya Hani, Manojedo ya. So far, they are there to be my say, my lele. We will still continue our kindness. We can't say that because of that, we will still continue our kindness, as I said it. So, my brother, Oteme Bush Lion, I know it feels so hard, out of maybe. When I humiliate or honey, or now no way you born. But you born where here una on a eye service helper where here una. Because if you do say wa red doni, in our boon, yoja, my mere son, my yoja. Maria son, my yoja, my mere son, look, bogi me, oh God. If you do ya fe ni rota gbona Maria agmologbo keko oron ma yanre o koso we mi ya fe mi dan fe na agba lórí ọ̀run gun deriri ede ona yan se kebe we ologbo eri oja emi esan wa ologbo mi so kwa even so yere do ni e those precisely e do unu no ze do ni wa yeri oja oteme when Michael Ukboja nọrọ ma gbe bagi ma we adazoe wagi ma sun wa lawowo I know you vowed 2 million that you want to take her to America. If not, if you not soon know that, let don't just try to patronize the mama. I where they humiliate her, but other way around. Ya women, emi ya na vokana, ma ya na kpe o vokan gbeji. Ma ya na kpe o vokan gbeji. My so na kpe, you beware of that sound. You don't have to dance to every sound you heard. Edo state Okpa, courtesan is all over, I can say all over the world, all over the Africa. But I'm in Nemoela, or your red dollar, or lavin I go. Edoninia is not only the Benin's, no tribe, Yasik Biviansa, Yaro, Amiom, Anero. So, no. Èmi mieta ni awe oteme esenu we kan ona okun koni oni ona matie eye service epa okun gba ni maka onye ma o no ma we eye service epa yin aka ya mu yin won ni oni owe the real epa e ba ma mi the high service epa well onu ivie do no ye okay pure water the street. Well, Vialeke, or give ye do, ununozedo, a straight. Do we may me on Maggie with your bona? I want to humiliate, ne? No, ya your boys see your log on Maggie Bay. Over 1 man of years, must so bomb away, I say. Your boys see, if near do way, my year Gwenny Guet, maybe if Nanny said near here humiliate, at him my side, if you no soon, no, Berane. Don't we equally justice? The government is there. The president is there, the senators, everybody they are there. Have 90 million, big name Naija wa munarun ogba. 90 million, awa munarun ogba. Amune. I said I will also speak about that issue. The so-called Big Brother Naija organizer Niyando. They don't use it to uplift the poor people. I already money organize the job. I a big man if say you never the society and have your line of a qualify. We are winning on other nights. I want to say that way the rich are getting richer, while the poor they are getting poorer. How I am 90 million. I am 90 million. So no love. My one where we you born, one where we you born now. But oh man, waste side of looking as an audience way of social media. I have to still tell you that my brother, yes, if you want to be a helper, please channel your help to the Benin's. And it's not to even the Benin's. Even if it's from Edo State of a man. Of your Unshi, of your son, of your Agbede, of your, in fact, it's not coming, it's not from Edo State, or don't even Edo State. I always say, go by Delta State or Kiri. You should go there. Emaro ni be me go so we no ke data ni review bo we ya e kwale e shekiri ya ma be go tian ni ya we yo bone brother o wa ke gbere wa ya gbe wo otun we wu otin we no viedo e bonafia igba big ne you come on here and criticize her. Una do you know ewa. Una we riona gbona na ogere we can move from Edo. Wana se mani vie do so. Emi ma jema. And I'm here with me, we like to help foreigner outside that. At least, more one hour. I don't know. Nigeria, here it is. We are those states in here. Or how we are doing Nigeria, Binane, Reno. Oh, what are you me? Oh, what are you? Because who were the well, when you walela. Oh, na who were the when you walela. Where I was in a way. Oh, who were the what were gay, wallet. Where boy no help where give me a kelela. I say, Nana, or any selling that way, waggy man. Oh, wow. Help your fellow Beninese. Those state precisely. So, tell me, a visa ni, wahaya movie, data ni. Wariagwa loviedo, no warioja, no riojavedoa. Why when a man is sound, see, I use a low babo. See, I where no young more, or we do to buy those 2 cube more hearing. As any meun is a Oviedo, Venimage, Maria, or your, or Hondo Salmon, say, or man salmon, say, a be away man, and we knew no region, a be meuna. It's just take it as who when boy. Yes. Elele wa we se no vie do mana do san we se se ni sa ba we tu we ni boy. So ni ma do ya we se ni vie gon na ma se mi ma. Nla wo this eye service helper on amateur the real eye service helper. Me don't tell better. My brother, a tima warioja wa. Every wakba. Do you know how many of your sister? Okay, look at the other woman that cry hard now. Now me 2 months. I preside being went to bed. My man do but she's from Edo State. If you can invite her, why can't you invite that one from Europe here to America? How many of them? You have seen many cases. Some of your Benin sister, brothers, they have been humiliated in this Europe. Since you are being in social media, have you ever tried that you want to pick one of them from Europe to America? At least, I went away the distance. I don't know, maybe from Nigeria to Europe, to America, it may be easier, I don't know. But the distance, Europe obviously can say, I can say where Europe came America, obviously can say from Nigeria to America. So my brother, while in America, do what you help, man. Start helping your sisters and brothers in your brothers and sisters suffering na senior kedwa well what you went already Libya no so far no iri vane ko vona where every Oviedo ni how ko give vona with TikTok. You are encourage them to do more. Because we're another song. Each one. Here we be our inviting out there in Canada. No, we should stop encourage evil. What is good is good. What is bad is bad. This is not hard to help. And because you are giving them the room to do more. Because then we tried anybody from Africa where that girl with the beat that day. Now one man can't remove and go now as we speak, so the girl do the America. Me want still do my own. Make they beat me, make they can't carry. Hey, so my man, and rage boys, men are beat me, naked me, video run, make they forgot carry. People can do anything just to live that that desert that we know. That Nigeria we live there suffering and smiling. So my brother, let's call it spade is spade. I know the way it pains you. That way, Latin, Yobo. So, need Yobo, novice, getting, or boom, a tinwere, Turkey. We have a moment, Turkey, America, Yobo, no one, Malaysia, Dubai. Boom, Senegal, yeah. Go and look for them. Benin speaking, I will tell what we do. And from Edo State. Honor San Coco Edo Anshi Epe. It's better than Ovie Akure ni we de bayan hui makian. Ni ya pray love, press love and like. I mean, Kenana Yunus do if I am line up. Yeah, yes, call you contribute, sure, no. So, my brother, no, why we your boy, 18 man in America, every bush lion by the good one, why ya fe, can you re Canada, ni re UK, why am your boy, why give my we your boy, 18 man, ni re Europe, if you can help them. Why we your bonia? Why so why we are where manire Nigeria ba on India? Oh God, say so wrong. Ware Nigeria ni they live more than some people live here in Europe. They live more than them. Do you know how many of your sister brothers sleep in train station? Many of them are homeless. Some of them no document. Ale no lakba. We know that something have an advantage and disadvantage. We are learning police, waiting winner, many things are, But you can walk, you are winner. Mina job, different thing. Nigeria, they have job opportunity more than we that live in Europe. I'm a block, I will service feel many jobs, they can do anything. Wado jali gota ever there. How even gate man? Did you see all those things here in Europe? Eboke se kine gate here. A gate where wa a gate to boy kine. Here gbin trailer or a trailer or everything here. You just we have lack of job in this place. We lack of jobs. When I better complain, umebe arewe umgwazevo barrier of language, barrier of document, many resisting with the but African, you don't have a barrier of document, you don't have a barrier of speaking language, general language is English. Everybody understand ourselves. You don't have a barrier of different type of things, Amazing in Meridian, Amazing. When or America, sweet. But you're too well or Spain. Omanaguas is a Spanish job or logo. Italy, the same thing. German, the same. France, the same thing. Any other speaking English country, we are facing it. You must learn their language before you can do anything with them. Evan wame be umana gwazevu bariari. Wazevu umebe e bariari. Wame be gwazevu wabe awina resisting. You resistive ya agbo e sinwina. Cause wave the indigenous baseke na anari winna no. The indigenous ahia carry akeri we. We are here, we are winner with them. I hear we are screaming, black, 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 black. Screaming well. Ugwazevo wenebe. Ubere. That's the three things we are facing in Europe. Language, paper, and races. If you have any facing in Europe. So when you UK, Canada, ware America, wa blend. Wa blend with them. Now only documents. Now even when you boom, was winner. So my brother, imagine where we are, but no, I don't come here to display, but it's your choice. But I just want to tell you that a twin you need more than she. Yes, your brothers and sisters, your Benin speaking brothers and sisters, they need help more than she. And you know what? Like where team where European, even so red over. No area like one with TikTok. When one me no ma ya rio bojo ne a result of me and have a pon about where yourself. We just first give thanks to God, glory to God, where yourself. I won't no ragmo or tell me away. Oh, how we America, ya we not by. Go and look Shidi man. You know, now you humiliating. You do also where you're not born and not by my bona. Go and look Shidi man, ya not bear, Biani, I'm where you marry. Where a man, a cannot your mind, cannot get your mind. A can a Shidi marry. As a woman, I am money, I am married. Where you have why money? Why your money? I'm a DSS waiting at humiliated who are more. Wa mo ati America ge oge no eyan gbogbe ani. So olina lugan ni edo Ejama first lady lawowo well legbona do ago, you know. Jama first lady, please, I will beg you today, hide your junk with your social media. Everybody tell you, urge you to leave the Beninese speaking men on their waist. Zia bovekun la wo mama rie woka mama rie wenya. I guess mama en okpa ni mama gbo ohoho mama gbo mama, in fact ohohi mama gbo gikwa una redo ohohe do gbo do ohoha Greek, maybe ohoha Greek ogbe wo gikwa. When I want to 80 years old, do my boy gikwa. I will see where do I. If I was knowing, I been people, Benin boys, when are you way? Uma get no, okay, if you were Donald, don't go via something. I know the married Benin men. They're not good though. Then unaga deceive ni bun. Ya man go vie san. Ada area Donald you know where take no vie well vie san hu. We marry we o san mo we marry munia. E vie data we ori mu where you wa. Wa vania wa ya gbe na ye Biafra must come. Mami o wa agbonu wa vari agbonu wa woda fonri data when I from Edo State wa vania. You don't fight for your Edo State. Even your husband doesn't fight for Delta State. Wa vania wa ya gbinane Biafra must come. You people are the date for Biafra must come. I wish you people good luck. It's a thing of choice. We can't predict that, so only God knows. Jama first lady, please, or John Well social media, I hereby urge you, please leave the Benin speaking men and even the women. Zia boy, Zomi zima borekun no pokpe ma zima borekun no pokpe ma zima borekun ma doyin mi awede ne ma yo sanu dazi o sanu rekete no yagbon je yin ana we je awo ba ya no edori no eri ege otedo ma do ya yin mi awe abe ni ka o ya fe awo ma erele ma si ni iragbon na ne ma ya yin awe no la nu zima borekun ọwọ́ àjogún àwọn àti àrírí egbe tí màá tó bọ̀wẹ̀ jogún àwọn àti àwọn bọ̀wẹ̀ ẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́yìn máa yarí egbe ò bọ̀wẹ̀ láwòwò sì máa bọ̀wẹ̀ kún ọwọ́ wọn máa sí ọmọ àná tọ́ ṣáìdọ̀ ọ̀dà fún wẹ̀ mọ́ àwọn ọ̀dà ẹ̀ you came from two places you kẹ́ òtẹ́ sàn rè òfẹ́ kẹ́ ọ̀dà fún wẹ̀ kẹ́ òtẹ́ dẹ́ta rè. Ukele vanifo wa miemita weze donoro. We are here to speak to agitate for our people. Yeah, we have no magba mare to be magbudi anoria. Maniviedo marema we maire media ba. This is the media iviedo maname a king, mame nogi, mame president, mame odiongwe. So we might if you have a post in aba. So we are here to agitate for our own speaking Benin's. One year, sorry na bolofa. Ave bekus to bekus. Oh God. Bekus to bekus. Wari ruwe mwa. Wa mie mwa yu wa veni wagu wa nania. Wa mie mwa yu wa. Ome na mio ma mie wagbon. Ami na mi o ma mi ati mi ekita na risan na mi wonu ana ta wo na risan kemi nu ri ahin o ma kan ma e ka no hon wa de e ka no hon wa de if you una ya de ba emi na o aga yo bo sudu ta webu. Then you keep it out from social media. This is the problem we have against you people. And we media nani we where o matter kama e kanu konwa o wa there. But wa guze do a bania wa ovie do wa nyendo. Wa guze do. Because look at those bloggers that blog it. They are Haitians. One any matana nia wagave blogger ni blog a video wa. If you say on any ogba meta. If you say blog en rudaya wa begu wa zedo you way wa zedo. En I blogger. Aka remini viedo. Ba mi resan wa ze en blogger o en blog. Just because you people speak Benin, it's like that nuisance and nonsense thing you people did. Those bloggers, they went and blocked those videos. Those are the things. A very racist case one. A very racist case one. Bekus to bekus, wala wo. I don't hate some people. Why you? I don't hate them. Go and look for the people that blog or kagbe the commenters. Na Aproko Godfather and I get that new page. Aproko Godfather is Ishama, whether na a man or woman. Na Ishama. You is Ishama and you go still go look talk and see do and still Isham person. And then blog am